Hello everyone, Cliff here again in the shed, and I'm just going to pick it straight up from where I left it off last week, and that is to clean the glass slides inside the, don't know what you call them now, inside the glass slide. I'm going to take these protective plastic things they got in here. There's 4 of them in each one. I'm just going to squirt a bit of WD-40 in these because they're a little bit tight, because obviously they've been in here since it was made, and they are quite dirty, but just need to pull these. They're just slide in and out, so just pull them out. Helps it, you've got a long nose pair of pliers to do this, to get them started anyway. There. Got that one. I think they're all the same, but I'll keep the top ones and bottom ones separate. Right, so that's them out, and then you can see the glass slider inside it. There you go, you can just about see the actual glass rail in there that the actual mechanism reads it off of. And then I've got some denatured alcohol. Squirt a little bit in the cap, and then basically just use a cotton bud and gently run it up and down the slides. There's the cotton bud. I mean, they did look pretty clean, but they did have some black shit on them. I'm just going to put a bit of the alcohol on there and clean, just wipe the protective strips off. The inside ones ain't too bad, but the outside ones are quite manky. And if you have a look at the outside ones, they have got quite shitty. I don't know whether the camera's going to pick it all up or not, but they have got quite a bit of smoky damage shit on them. Looking at the paper towel here, I can see quite a lot of little shiny bits. It looks like quite a lot of little brass bits. Right, that's just a case of putting them back in now. like a little V bit on the end that they can sort of sit over. That's it, I've just got to get the slider in there now. Can't remember which was A and B now. Not that it matters. Yeah, I know, that one was there. So that's this one. Right. I'm just going to clean off the protect the leads. As you can see, the leads was proper manky. Now I just got to put the readers in. Again, they only go in one way round. This little gubbins here is on a spring. That goes that side of the glass, and the little circuit board goes the other side. And that's it. It just slides in like that. And now I've got to put the ends back on. Right, well that's one done. I've got to do the Y-axis now. Right, I've got to give the monitor a bit of a clean up. So I've got the monitor off of its little bracket that twists it in that. Don't know how I'm going to be remounting it when I get all this back in where I'm getting it. So, but anyway, this is the moment of truth. I mean, the monitor was pretty much protected by this cover that was on it. I'm going to have to take that and wash it. I'll take that down, I think, and might be savable, might not. Not sure about that. But it did do its job and protected the monitor anyway. So it's all plugged in. I'll switch it on and see if it works. Got a bit twisted and well, it's switched on all right. The x-axis is moving all right. So is the y-axis. I'll zero it. Yep, zeros. So that's handy, it all appears to be working alright. Can't vouch for its accuracy yet until I get it all set up and get it on there, but I don't see why it wouldn't be accurate. It doesn't appear to be damaged, so everything's clean. Right, I'll put that to one side and get on with the next thing. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is a refurb of the towel stock, which weren't in great condition before the fire. There's a lot of paint missing and well, it just needs a decent overall anyway, so that's going to be the next one. And I have bought some paint to try and touch up bits. I did think about getting a lot of paint and respraying the whole thing, but I don't think it warrants it, to be honest with you. But this is in a bit of a state, so I've got a couple of aerosol tins that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to respray this, strip it down obviously, clean it and respray it. But that's going to be the next week, unfortunately, because my kitchen keeps getting in the way of being up here. So that's it with this one. See you next week. Bye for now.